Hi Little Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Shih Tzu, so let's get started. To draw this cute dog, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. Nice big nose. And then I'm going to round off the sides and connect it at the bottom. A slightly sharper curve. There. And then let's come back up right here at the top, and I'm just going to draw a long oval for a highlight and then shade everything else in. Now that we have the nose in, let's come to the center right here, and I'm going to draw a small straight line right in the center. Then I'm going to come back up right here, and we're going to draw some tufts of fur. So we're just going to start right here, some zigzags right on top. Now that we have some fur on the top, let's come back right here, and we're going to draw a curve downwards on both sides. And let's come back right here, and we're going to do the same thing. Now we're going to start to draw the fur that's right here on the mouth area and the nose. So I'm going to bring this down right there, and then bring this down to bring everything together. So about right here, we're just going to go ahead and zigzag some fur. And same thing over here. Just go up and connect. There. And so now that we have that in, let's come back over here. We're going to draw the eyes. So right in this area, I'm going to go ahead and tuck in this circle for the eyes. Nice and big. And same thing over here, but right here. And create another circle. Then from there, let's come back in here, and we're going to make them draw so cute eyes, of course. So 2 small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, now that the circles and the eyes in, let's come back right here in the center, and we're going to draw a curve over the eye to come up, and you can zigzag a little bit for the fur on top of the eye, and same thing here. Go up, and about right here once again, and down. Down a little bit more. And then right here over the eye, I'm going to bring a curve down right here, just to give it a little bit more expression, because there's just so much hair right over the eyes and things. So there. Now that we have that in, let's start to draw the head. So we're going to go up. So just imagine this big head. So let's say come about, I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center. And I'm going to start to zigzag some fur out right at the top, just to make it extra fluffy. And now we're going to bring this down right around, and here and there you can stop and create some zigzags as well for more fur, but we just want to aim to bring it right down to about here. and curve in. So same thing on this side. And bring it all the way back to about right there on the other side. And then in between right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve for the chin area. And now that we're done with the face, let's come over here and draw the ears. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and add these floppy ears. Bring it down. And I'm going to end it about right here. So let's bring this down, come down and in a little bit, and curve up. So same thing on the other side. So right there, get a little tuck, bring it in, and about right there, round it off and in for the ears. And then you can add some more fur right here if you like, just to break up this space. There. And let's see here. So that's pretty much it for the head. So then now let's draw the body. So I'm going to come right here, nice and furry, about right here. And I'm going to bring a curve down on both sides. And let's see here. Let's go bring this down more. And I'll say about right here, I'm going to stop, and towards the center I'm going to draw this big tuft of fur. So I'm just going to go ahead and zigzag my way across right here in the center and bring it back up. So right in the center. And then right in the center, we're going to go ahead and draw the legs. So about right here, I'm going to bring out a curve and another one right here. So we want to make the legs nice and furry and not too long because they're short dogs, right? So about right here, I'm just going to give it a little curve out and connect. Just give a little curve out and connect. And you can come in here, draw two little curves if you want, just so we know their feet. And then the back. So let's come about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve out, bring it in, and just very simple, we're just going to give it a curve and just tuck it in. No extra details. Right here. So same thing. Pop it out and then in, curve out, and just go ahead and connect. And then let's see here, tail. So we're going to tuck a tail about right here and zigzag a little bit and just pop it in there, right there. And since this space is pretty bare, you can also come in here once again and just like the head, just draw some more fur there. And last but not least, I'm going to put a little heart right here to make it my Jaw So Cute Shih Tzu. So they're all done. I really hope you loved how the Shih Tzu turned out and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you